Hi friends, welcome to the accountancy class. Today in this module, we are going to learn about the important classification of business activities. As you know, cash flow statement is a statement that shows the cash flows, that is, inflows and outflows of cash and cash equivalents during the period under report. Transactions that increase cash and cash equivalents are inflows, whereas transactions that decrease it are outflows of cash and cash equivalents. Cash flow activities are to be classified into three categories. This is done to show separately the cash flows generated or used by these activities, thereby helping to assess the impact of these activities on the financial position and cash equivalents of an enterprise. The total activities of a company or business can be divided into three. They are operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities. Operating activities are the principal revenue producing activities of the enterprise and other activities that are not investing or financing activities. Cash flow from operating activities, being the principal revenue producing activity of the enterprise, generally results from the business transaction and events that determine the net profit or net loss. Some examples of cash flow from operating activities are, in the case of non-financial companies, the cash inflows are cash receipts from sale of goods or rendering services, cash receipts from royalties, fees and commission, cash receipts from trade payable. This trade payable includes debtors and bill receivable, cash payment for purchase of goods or availing services, cash payment for the purchase of goods, cash payment to trade payable, cash payment of wages, salaries, and other payments to employees, cash receipts of premium and payment of claims, cash payment and refund of income tax. In the case of financial companies, the various transactions are payment for the purchase of securities, payment of interest on loans, receipts from sale of securities, dividend received on securities, interest received on loans granted, payment of salaries, bonus, etc. to the employees, payment of or refund of income tax unless these are identified with investing or financing activities. The net effect of cash flow from operating activities may be cash used in operating activity or cash generated from operating activities. Now I am going to give an example. The question is, identify which of the following transactions are classified as operating activity. The various transactions are cash received from sale of goods, cash paid for the purchase of goods, payment of wages, sale of car in cash, commission received, cash received from trade receivable, repayment of loan, redemption of debentures, payment of interest on loan, purchase of machinery, These are the important transactions given the problem. The question is to identify the transactions which relates to operating activity. The important transactions are cash received from sale of goods, cash paid for the purchase of goods, payment of salaries and wages, commission received, and cash received from trade receivables, etc. Next question is, state a transaction that is always classified or shown